Keep them moving, straight ahead now. Clear the chute, next group coming in.
The ultrasound looks clear. Data aligns with the previous quarter.
Agreed. Let's update the central registry.
Eyes are clear and the coat condition is excellent.
Data confirms everything is within the healthy range. Good job, everyone.
Final clearance confirmed. All documentation is complete. All right, heard the vet. Let's move him to the next stage. Carefully now.
The pressure looks optimal on the rear jets. Agreed. The system is running smoothly.
Sensor readings are optimal. No contaminants detected on the flank. Acknowledged. The system is performing as expected.
The rinse cycle worked perfectly on this one. All clear. Yes. Confirmed. Send him down the line.
Keep the line moving smoothly now.
Watch the gate on the left. The new filtration system is working perfectly.
The data logs confirm it. The herd is thriving with this setup.
The wash cycle is complete on Section 3. Standards met.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Check the flow rate on Sector 4. It's fluctuating slightly, adjusting the pressure now. The yield percentage is holding steady.
Good. Keep an eye on the blade calibration. I just made an adjustment.
The flow rate is optimal. Agreed. The pressure looks steady.
The packaging machine is running at full speed. We're exceeding the target output for this hour.
We need to move these gray ones before the next shipment arrives. I've got the manifest right here. Stack them against the far wall.
The storage density is optimized according to the plan. Agreed. Let's update the status to verified.
There's a slight imperfection here near the edge. It's acceptable. The overall quality is high. Let's roll it. Okay, engage the suction.
Suction engaged, clear to lift. Watch the clearance on the right.
The thickness here is consistent with the specs.
Good. Log it as within tolerance.
This section here looks good, nice and smooth. Agreed. Meets the standards. I'll sign off on it. The rinse cycle seems effective here. Yes, the water pressure is optimal on this batch.
Check the consistency against the chart. It's holding steady, right on shade.
The grain on this hide is exceptional. It's ready for storage.
Agreed. Let's move it to the pallet staging area. Okay, this one goes right here.
Got it. Scanning now.
The color consistency is excellent on this lot.
Agreed. I've updated the system. We can tag it green.
Everything seems to be in order. The quality standards are met. Confirmed. The inventory records are updated.